Okay, here's page 2 of the review packet. Just like before, I want to line up the sides that go together. Remember, this is the Unit 5 review packet. We know that these lines are parallel, which means my alternate interior angles are going to match up. We also have a pair of vertical angles, so now it should be easy to match our sides up. So 3 is between 1 arc and 3 arcs, x is between 1 arc and 3 arcs. 5 is between 2 and 3 arcs, 8 is between 2 arcs and 3 arcs. So I'm going to do 3 goes with x, 5 goes with 8. So if I cross multiply, I get 5x equals 24, and if I divide both sides by 5, I get 4.8 for x. Okay, for D, here's my first triangle. So 7, the height goes with 5, the base. This is going to go with this. So the full height of the big triangle is 7 plus x. Remember, these are two pieces. We add them together. The bottom is 6. So when I cross multiply and then distribute, when I divide both sides by 5, I'm going to get x equals 7 over 5. Okay, let's keep going. Over here, same thing again. So I have my first triangle here. I have to do whole side over whole side, so 60 inches over x equals whole thing over whole thing. Well, this whole thing is going to be 84. The whole bottom is 96. So I'm going to get 84x equals 60 times 96. Ooh, that's a big one. 5760. I'm going to divide both sides by 84. Ooh, that doesn't divide evenly, so I'm going to leave. Wait, I think I did something wrong. One second, guys. Okay, so there's a couple things you can do. If you were to multiply this out or divide this, you're going to get a decimal. And so if you wanted to leave it like that, you could. Or you could leave it as this. If you do math, enter, enter, or you turn it back into a fraction, it simplifies down to that. So you guys have a choice there. Let's look at F. Okay, so there's a couple ways you can do it, but why don't we do, here's this green triangle. So x is going to go with 6. Now I'm going to look at the big triangle. Okay, we did x first, which was from the top, so we're going to do x plus 5.7. The whole bottom is 10.5. When I cross multiply, I'm going to get 10.5x equals 6x plus 5.7 times 6. That's 34.2. I'm going to subtract 6x onto that side. That's going to be 4.5x equals 34.2. And if I divide that by 4.5, I get x equals 7.6. Okay, let's go down. It says list 3 ways to prove that two triangles are similar, where our only options are AA similarity, SAS similarity, and SSS similarity. Okay, are the two triangles similar? Justify your response. So A has 3 sets of sides, so our only option is SSS. Let's see if our sides simplify. Well, this simplifies down to 1 over 2. This doesn't simplify at all, and that doesn't simplify at all. Since they don't simplify to the same ratio, they're not proportional. Sorry, guys. Therefore, they're not similar. So no. Why? Because we failed SSS. Okay, B, these parallel lines tell us that we're going to have alternate interior angles. We also have vertical angles. We only need 2 sets of congruent angles to be congruent. We have 3, so we're super good. So yes, they're similar because of AA similarity. C, we only have 2 sets of sides for each, so our only option is SAS. It's the only one with 2. So I have 2 and 3, and then I have 4 and 5. Let's see if they simplify. Well, this simplifies to 1/2. That doesn't simplify at all, so no, their ratios aren't the same, so we failed SAS similarity. Okay, let's look at D. So we're going to have this triangle here, and for this triangle there, we're going to have 15 and 21. For this triangle here, we have 24 And the whole thing here is 35. Well, this is going to simplify down if you use your calculator to 5/8. This is going to simplify down to 3/5. Those are not the same, so no. There's a shared angle, but since the sides didn't work, it doesn't matter. So we failed SAS. Okay, my only option here is SSS, so let's test all of our sides. So 6, 10, 13. Up here we have 14, 18, 26. That goes down to 1/2. This goes down to 3/7. This goes down to 5/9. None of those are the same, so no. We failed SSS. Okay, last one. Here's my pair of vertical angles. Oopsies, I'm going to use 2 arcs. There's another pair, so yes, we are similar because of AA similarity. Okay, that's the end of page 2. We'll do page 3 soon.